Welcome to Beyond the Headlines, the real impact of the 2024 El Niño phenomenon. In this video, we delve deep into the multifaceted repercussions of this climate event that is poised to alter weather patterns around the globe. From record-breaking temperatures to severe droughts in South America, El Niño is not just a buzzword, it's a force reshaping ecosystems, agriculture, and even our daily lives. Join us as we explore the consequential effects on wildlife, marine ecosystems, and food security, and shed light on what this means for our planet's future. 1. Record-breaking global temperatures. The summer of 2024 will be remembered as the hottest one ever recorded globally, a consequence directly linked to the El Niño phenomenon. Temperatures soared past previous records set in 2023, leading to an array of climatic challenges. Heatwaves became more frequent and intense, causing distress and health concerns for millions. In regions prone to wildfires, such as parts of Australia and the western United States, the drier conditions fueled devastating fires. These fires not only destroyed vast tracts of land but also contributed to air quality issues, creating a vicious cycle of environmental challenges. Additionally, the combination of heat and drought led to significant water shortages in various parts of the world, exacerbating existing environmental and infrastructural vulnerabilities. 2. Severe droughts in South America. South America bore a significant brunt of the 2024 El Niño, with countries like Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, and Peru experiencing severe drought conditions. These droughts had cascading effects on agriculture, leading to food insecurity and economic challenges. In Brazil's Amazonas state, an alarming 42 out of 62 municipalities declared drought emergencies, impacting around 250,000 people. Water shortages not only affected daily life but also posed serious threats to agriculture, a primary livelihood for many. Crops failed, livestock suffered, and the socio-economic fabric of these regions was tested. The droughts underscored the vulnerability of these communities to climatic changes, highlighting the need for sustainable water management practices. 3. Wildlife culling in Southern Africa. In Southern Africa, the severe droughts brought about by El Niño led to difficult decisions regarding wildlife management. Namibia and Zimbabwe, two nations heavily reliant on wildlife tourism, authorized the culling of hundreds of wild animals, including elephants and zebras. This decision, though controversial, was aimed at mitigating the effects of the drought on both wildlife and human populations. The meat from these culls was distributed to communities facing food shortages, providing some relief amidst the agricultural challenges. This situation illustrated the delicate balance between conservation efforts and human survival, a dilemma that becomes more pronounced during extreme climatic events. 4. Transition to La Niña conditions. As 2024 drew to a close, the climatic pendulum swung from El Niño to La Niña conditions. This transition was characterized by below-average sea surface temperatures in the central and east-central equatorial Pacific Ocean. The shift had a significant impact on global weather patterns, bringing about a different set of climate anomalies compared to El Niño. While some regions experienced relief from the intense heat, others faced new challenges such as increased rainfall and flooding. This transition highlighted the dynamic and interconnected nature of global weather systems and the need for continued monitoring and adaptation. 5. Impact on marine ecosystems. The 2024 El Niño did not spare marine ecosystems, which experienced disruptions in productivity. Changes in ocean temperatures and currents affected fish populations, particularly in the Pacific Northwest. Salmon, an essential species for both ecological balance and local economies, faced challenges due to altered migration patterns and breeding conditions. These disruptions had ripple effects throughout the marine food web, affecting not just fish but also the species that rely on them. Communities dependent on fishing for their livelihoods found themselves grappling with reduced catches and economic uncertainty. 6. Agricultural disruptions. Agriculture, a sector heavily reliant on predictable weather patterns, was significantly affected by the 2024 El Niño. The combination of rising global temperatures and El Niño conditions led to varied climatic anomalies. Some regions experienced severe droughts, with below normal rainfall impacting planting and harvesting cycles. Other areas faced the opposite problem, with excessive rainfall leading to floods and waterlogging of crops. These disruptions resulted in reduced crop yields, threatening food security in many parts of the world. Farmers, already vulnerable to market fluctuations, found themselves navigating an unpredictable climate landscape. 7. Record low water levels in the Amazon. The Amazon River, a lifeline for many communities, experienced record low water levels during the 2024 dry season. This unexpected drop disrupted transportation, a crucial aspect of local trade and daily life. Communities that relied on the river for access to essential resources found themselves facing logistical challenges. The economic impact was significant, as trade routes were disrupted and the movement of goods became more difficult. This situation highlighted the dependence of many Amazonian communities on the river and the need for sustainable practices to mitigate such challenges in the future. 8. Predicted acceleration of global warming. The 2024 El Niño, coupled with reduced aerosol pollution, led scientists to warn of an accelerated pace of global warming. This acceleration poses a threat of pushing global temperatures beyond critical thresholds sooner than previously anticipated. The implications are vast, affecting not only weather patterns but also ecosystems, economies, and human health. The warning served as a stark reminder of the urgency needed in addressing climate change, emphasizing the need for global cooperation and swift action to mitigate its effects. 9. Food insecurity in Southern Africa. Southern Africa, a region heavily reliant on small-scale agriculture, faced acute food shortages as a result of the 2024 El Niño. Approximately 68 million people were affected, with countries like Zambia, Malawi, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique experiencing severe droughts. The reduced availability of water also impacted hydroelectric power generation, compounding the challenges faced by these nations. The situation underscored the vulnerability of communities to climatic changes and the importance of building resilience through sustainable agricultural practices and infrastructure development. 10. Global weather extremes. The transition from La Niña to El Niño in 2024 triggered a series of global weather extremes. These included record-breaking heatwaves and devastating floods, events that underscored the interconnectedness of global weather systems. The unpredictability of these extremes highlighted the importance of understanding and preparing for such climate phenomena. As communities around the world grappled with the impacts, the need for comprehensive climate adaptation strategies became increasingly clear. The 2024 El Niño served as a wake-up call, emphasizing the need for global awareness and action in the face of changing climatic patterns.